Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we'll talk about the DAX function all. We'll see how it works here. First of all we'll see the definition of all measures. Now basically it returns all the row in a table or all the value in a column, ignoring any filter that might have been applied. This function is useful for clearing filters and creating calculation on all the row in a table. Basically its syntax is the all, here table name, then column. What are the column we wanted to apply, we'll give the input here. Now we'll see in more detail with the example. So let's come to the Power BI screen, the model which I have created for this. So this is one of the table, contains the product name, revenue and total revenue here. So we'll see the measures for revenue and total revenue here and what is the difference between these two here. If we talk about revenue measure, so this is the revenue. Revenue is equal to sum x sales. Sales of that revenue means from the sales table we have taken the revenue here. And after that there is one more measure called total revenue. We will see here. See for total revenue, this is our DAX here. Calculate sum sales revenue after comma. This is the all sales here. What does mean by all here? Basically, all is the function that makes this particular function in mute here. It means no column from sales table will be able to affect a particular data. Here, product table is not able to filter the data. I will show you how. Suppose from the row we remove the product name here. See, total revenue not getting changed here. Suppose instead of the product name, we will move another field like territory key. We move here. So again for all the territory key here we can see revenue is getting changed here, but total revenue is not getting impacted here. So let's see one more field here. Suppose we move the product key here. So this is the different product key here. We can see revenue for all the product keys getting changed here based on the means value of the product key here. But total revenue is not getting changes here. It means any kind of filter will not affect this total revenue field here. I hope I have cleared this what is meaning by all measure. So please like, share, subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision. Thank you.